Hey guys, it's me, Shani, and today I'm going to be opening up my September Boxycharm. I am so excited. I am so excited. I already filmed today, but I'm coming back because I just got my Boxycharm and I want to show you guys the last couple months. I haven't. I've just opened them on my own, and I don't know, I just feel like filming this one today, this month. I also got a letter from my boyfriend today too, so it just feels like Christmas, and I'm excited to open that, but I'm also excited to open my Boxycharm, so let's get right into it. So, sorry if I look a little crazy. I just got back from class and I literally just rushed in here to film this video because I cannot wait to see what's in here, so let's get started. Whew. Okay, so I did pick one item. I will show you guys as I open it, but that's all I know. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything, so I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh, okay, I'm like trying not to look. Oh my god, okay. Ooh. Okay, so the theme is glam vibes only. I really like that theme. You know, I'm all about the glam vibes. This is like a cute little card. I've been keeping all the cards because I'm just excited. Okay, I'm not going to look on the back until it's time. Okay, so I'll pull out what I picked out. I picked you can pick a product each month out of a few that they give you, and I chose the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry. I think I'm saying that right. And I've never tried Pharmacy. I'm actually really excited because I've heard amazing things about this brand, and look at how cute the top of this packaging is. I'm so excited. And let's see. It is a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream, I'm reading it off here, that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. That's awesome. That's everything I want in an eye cream, really. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area, clean, fragrance-free formula, and it is $45. Wow. $45 is a hefty price tag for an eye cream. I mean, I understand. Oh, it says made exclusively for Boxycharm on the bottom. This packaging is so cute. I like totally ripped it open, but it's fine. So here is, I'm just gonna open it. It does kind of smell like cherry. Let me just like take a little for you. Smells pretty good. Seems very hydrating and nice, so that's really exciting. I don't know, I like the consistency. It seems very nice and hydrating and maybe brightening, so wow, it's like full to the brim here in this little pot, and I'm so excited. And I love the cherry on it. It's just so cute. Cheer up. I love it. So this is the one I did know about, and I'm super excited for it. I'm actually almost done with an eye cream, so it's almost like I'm replacing it with this one. So super excited to try Pharmacy and to try out this eye cream. I love eye creams. I feel like I can never have enough because I use it every night. So yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, let's keep going. I have a Hank and Henry. I've gotten from Boxycharm their beauty sponges, but I've never tried anything else from Hank and Henry. This is a satin cream lipstick. Interesting. Ooh, oh my god, this is a beautiful packaging. Look at this. It's like, it reminds me of, I think, Pure and Barbie when they did their collab. I feel like it kind of looked like this, but pink. But this is red. It says, love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. Yes. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. It's $18, and I think you like push it. Ooh. Okay, so you go like that, and it comes out. Interesting. I have never had a lipstick like this whole contraption. I've seen them, but I've never, whoa. Oh my gosh, it's like so glitzy. This is definitely glam vibes. I absolutely think that's gorgeous. It's so shimmery, like even more so in person it is. I'm gonna throw it on right now. I don't have any lipstick on right now. Oh my god. Okay, so this is very bright. Okay, that was not like the most perfect application, like at all. But yeah, I don't really see much of the shimmer. It kind of like, sorry, there's construction in the back. It kind of like went away, the shimmer, as I applied, so you know, the shimmer doesn't really translate. Oh, I got a hair in it already. No. But this is really nice. I mean, it's not my typical color. Not that it looks bad on me, but I just don't wear bright reds like ever. But I think this is such a cute lipstick holder. Like, I don't know, I just absolutely love the like design of this, and I think it's beautiful and very like luxe kind of feeling, like glam feeling, so I really enjoy it. Tiamo, I think is the name. Wow, so this is interesting. I don't know if I should keep this lipstick on or not, because it looks kind of weird with the eye look, but we're just gonna go with it for the rest of the video. I apologize. But I had a nude lip liner on earlier that kind of like wore away, but anyways, this is so cool, and I'm mostly excited for the packaging. I do like the feeling of it on my lips right now, but I'm just not a huge stick lipstick kind of gal, and I'm not a huge red lipstick kind of girl, but I do occasionally reach for it for the holidays or for, I don't know, special events, so definitely glam vibes. I'm excited to have it. I think this is really pretty. So I'm excited for that. Ooh. Okay, we've got some brushes. I absolutely love this little container. It's like all rainbow-esque. So, wait, what is this? Luna Magic Beauty Blend It Girl 4-piece brush set. Interesting. I have never heard of Luna Magic Beauty with a Latina vibe. I know it is Latina, like Heritage Month, I believe, so that's pretty cool if that's why they did it. That would be awesome. Okay, Blend It Girl, Luna, I'm gonna keep this. This is really pretty. I really like that. Blend It Girl, Luna Magic Beauty Luxury Brush Set is here to stay. This cruelty-free brush set, yes, love that it's cruelty-free, includes all the essential brushes for you to complete your glamorous eye look. Be precise, be bold, blend it, girl. This retails for $18, similar to this lipstick was $18. So again, the price of Boxycharm is like around $21 a month. So that's really not bad. We already have this, you know, this was $45. These are $18, so let's see. This brush is kind of interesting. I don't think I have any brush like it. It's not really saying like what each one is. I could see using this as like a highlight brush. I don't know. Maybe highlighter. That's kind of what I'm thinking. But very interesting with a red handle. We have this one with a blue handle. This I would use for a crease type of brush. It looks very nice. See, this counts as one product and it's 4 brushes, so that's pretty exciting. This one is kind of, it's in yellow packaging, and I feel like this would be a good like packer brush on the lid. And lastly, this one looks like more of a smudger in the orange packaging, like the orange handle. You could use this on the lid as well. So, wow, very cool. They feel super soft and luxurious and nice. So I'm really excited to try these out. And yeah, 4 brushes for one product is really cool. So love these, and I'm excited. I've never heard of Luna Magic, and I'm excited to try them out. So try out their brushes. Very nice. I'm happy with everything pretty much so far. I feel like this lipstick looks so funny with this look. We have got a hand cream from Levito. I actually got a cleanser from this brand from my Ipsy last month, and I've been using the cleanser and I actually really like it. So I've actually tried this brand before, their cleanser. But this is the Nourishing Hand Cream, an area prone to environmental damage. This hand cream in the sweet earthy scent of patchouli and I said that wrong, and vanilla, is rich in organic shea butter and plant-based hyaluronic acid, helping to soothe, soften, and protect hands from environmental damage, dryness, and chafing. So this is $14 normally. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I actually don't have a hand cream in use right now. I actually forgot to bring a few of my hand creams from home to college with me. It was something I just kind of forgot, and from washing, I'm trying to open it, sorry, from washing my hands so much lately with the virus and everything, like, it just, I don't know, I feel like a nice hand cream is pretty much, it's essential. And this is a pretty nice sized hand cream. Vanilla, shea butter for all skin types, soothe, nourish, and protect. So I'm going to try some out right now. Oh, I don't really like the smell. It smells kind of like old lady in a way. Personally. Okay, like maybe I could have done without this product. I don't know. It feels really nourishing and nice. I'm just not head over heels with the smell. I don't know. Wow. It feels really nice. So whatever, I will totally use it. I'm not that picky with hand creams. I'm not gonna like not use it. I'll definitely keep it in my drawer and use it. So very nice. And then lastly, it looks like we do have a palette. Oh, am I excited. Okay, so it's from the brand Hip Dot, which I'm kind of excited. I've seen things about them, but I have never tried them. Look at this. I wonder if this is going to be the actual packaging, because it's really pretty. It is the, it is the Hip Dot Xeon eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love eyeshadow palettes. You know I do. Hip Dot. I think Hip Dot is the brand that did a collaboration with SpongeBob, and so I thought that was kind of interesting. Ooh, oh my god. This is a really pretty color scheme. It's like purples and pinks and some neutrals. Wow, this is really nice. Like, I feel like a lot of the palettes I've gotten from Boxycharm have been very neutral leaning, just because I know a lot of people like neutral palettes, but I am the type that likes more colorful, so this is actually really pretty. I'm super excited to try it out. I love these, like this purple here is so gorgeous, and these pinks. Whoa, I'm excited. Okay, and this packaging is gorgeous. I love like reminds me of like when you put creamer in coffee and it kind of like does this kind of thing. I love it. So let me read it. Conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Wow, that's cool. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Xeon. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and mineral oil-free. Wow. And this is $30. So this I could see being glam vibes as well. $30. Okay, so that's cool. It's like Wild River, Canyon. So they're kind of going with the whole Utah canyon type of vibe. So this is definitely a plus for me. I hope I enjoy it. I think I will. I think it's I don't know, as long as the formula is good. I really like the colors in here. I think it's gorgeous. So this is a plus if I, you know, like the formula. This is a plus for the packaging. I really like this whole concept. I've never had a lipstick like that, and I do like the formula. It feels really nice right now, but you know, it's not my most used color or anything, but I do like it. I'm excited to have it. The brushes are definitely going to be a hit for me. They feel really nice. And the eye cream I'm super excited about. So yeah, I guess the one thing I could probably have done without is the hand cream, but I will use it up. I will, because honestly my hands have been really dry lately. So yeah, this was an awesome month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what type of Boxycharm videos you'd want to see next. Maybe like a get ready with me with all of my Boxycharm, with only Boxycharm products that I've gotten, or I don't know, a review on the whole subscription service. I don't know, let me know. I could totally do videos. I could do a video of me trying out all these products on camera or stuff like that. So yeah, let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you next time. See ya. Bye.